Hello students, in this video we are going to learn the Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop or Photoshop is a photo editing software. Generally, it is used by the photographers to correct or to enhance the quality of the images and the pictures and photos. It is also used by desktop operator as a DTP software, that is desktop publishing software, that is to create magazine, newspaper, books and other logos etc. for the commercial purpose. So Adobe Photoshop is a photo editing software used by desktop publishing operators and the photographers to enhance the quality of the image, to quality of the photos, to quality of the pictures and to create magazines, newspaper, books, monograms and other desktop publishing work. How can you start the Adobe Photoshop? First you need to install the Adobe Photoshop in your system. After that, click on the Start button. In the Start button, under Programs, you will find the option Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. It is a version of Adobe Photoshop. If you are having any other version of the Adobe Photoshop, that will also work in the same way. So once you click on this Adobe Photoshop option, you will get this thing on a home screen. In this thing, in this screen, you can create with a new create button to create a new document. If you click on this create new button, it will create a blank document, a new document for you to perform the work of photo editing. Once you click on this create new button, a window will appear which will ask you to enter different fields according to which your window will be customized. That is, once you click on the new button of your file, you will get this option: name, width and height, resolution, color mode and background content. Actually these options are for the blank document. So let's move to the here. So before going into the details of editing a photo, let's have a look on the window of Adobe Photoshop. Here the first bar of the Adobe Photoshop window is menu bar, which will display different menu options like file, edit, image, layer, type, select, filter, 3D view, Windows help. Below this menu bar there is another bar which is known as option bar. Below this option bar there is another bar which is known as image tab. After that, here it is a panel of tools which you find to edit your image. After that, it is a canvas. Canvas is the main portion in which you perform the editing work of your image. And this is the panel of palette. Here different options are provided for the images. Now let's move to the detail. What is menu bar? Menu bar contains menus for performing different tasks. Option bar, it provides several options related to the selected tool. Palettes, Photoshop offers various palettes organized along the right side of the window, which helps to modify the property of an image. Image tab, it displays the information about the image opened. Canvas window, it contains the image that you are working on. Tool panel. The tool panel contains tools of draw, paints, edit and erase. Now let us have a look on the different types of tools which are present on the tool panel. You need to remember the tool and the purpose for which they are used, because these tool helps in editing and enhancing the image. So this is the move tool. Move tool will help you to move the selected portion of a image to any of the direction, to any specific location. Lasso tool. It is a lasso tool. It is used to select some area of an image. That is perspective crop tool. It is for cropping, means to cutting. Eavesdrop tool. Basically it is used to select a color from the image. Pencil tool. It is used to write. Art brush. It is again for painting and to writing on the image. Paint bucket tool. It is used to fill some portion of an image with some color. Dodge tool. It is used to zoom and amplify the selected area. Text tool. It is used to write something on the image. Rectangular tool. It is used to have a rectangular selection. Zoom tool. It is used to zoom the portion of an image. Set background color. It is used to set the background color and it is used to set the foreground color. It is marquee tool. Again it is a selection tool. Magic wand tool. Again it is a selection tool. It is a spot healing tool. Means if you want to heal some portion, if you want to make some correction in a portion, then if we use this tool. Clone stamp tool. It is used to make the duplicate image of a selected portion. Smudge tool. Then that is a pen tool. It is a direct selection tool. Hand tool. So these are some of the tools which you need to require to remember their image. Let's have. It is a move tool. It is a lasso tool. Perspective crop tool. Eye drop tool. Pencil tool. Art history brush tool. Paint bucket tool. Dodge tool. Text tool. Rectangular tool. Zoom. Background and foreground color. Marquee tool. Magic wand. Spot healing. Clone. Smudge. Pen. Direct selection tool. Hand tool. Now let's begin with how we can start with a new file in Adobe Photoshop. After opening the Adobe Photoshop, just go to the file menu. In the file menu, select the option new. As soon as you click on this new option, a window will prompt you to enter some details for your new canvas on which you are going to edit your photograph. First it will ask you to enter the name of the file, then it will ask you to the width and height of the image. The width and height of the image can be entered in pixel, inches, points and centimeters. Resolution specify PPI, pixels per inches, means more the pixels, more will be the better quality of the image. So generally select the PPI, means pixel over 100, because the picture having the pixels per inches over 100 give you a better quality of the image. Now color mode determines the color. The popular color mode is CMYK, that is cyan, magenta, yellow, black. Another is RGB, red, green, blue. Now you have to select the background content. Either you want to have a transparent background or white background or some other colored background. So with the help of these options you can have a background. After that, click on the create button. After clicking on the create button, a blank canvas will be present according to the specification which you have set in the Adobe Photoshop to perform your work. Suppose if you want to open an existing image in the Photoshop, then just click on the file menu. In the file menu, click on the open option. On the open option, select the image by browsing the image from your desktop and then click on the open. The image which you select at the time of the selection of this open option, the image will be open in the Adobe Photoshop. In this way, you can open the existing image in the Adobe Photoshop.